Hello guys, and today we are going to unbox the JBL Flip 5. So you probably know this speaker, but yeah, it has JBL Party Boost, IPX7 waterproof, and 12 hours of playtime. Let's see here. It should be like eco-friendly packaging. But I don't know about that. But let's unbox it. So I guess you cut these things here. Come on. There we go. Here we go. So in the box here you get the charger cable and manual, like the Flip 4 I guess. And in here is the speaker. Okay, like that. Then you have it. Wow, it's really good. Passive gas here. They don't move as much as Flip 4, but yeah, there's not much to it. I can make like a speaker, DIY speaker with this, like Pasha ES, but I don't know about that. I think I should keep the packaging for some time. If it does break, I can always return it. Just put that down there. Oh shit. Yes, that's set. And so yeah, let's sound test it. Wait, let's turn it on here first. So let's get my phone here. Search for some device here. Flip 5. Yeah, so that's about it. Thanks for watching, and please give a like and subscribe. Goodbye guys.